Hey, and welcome to Alpha. We are now going to be trading live once again, and you are welcome to join in. Now, if you see this as a recording, you are probably not subscribed to my channel, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on. And also help me out by liking this video. Also, you'll find the link below the video for the broker that I'm using, so use the link you find below. There you will also find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. The promo code is Alpha1. Now, welcome for the ones joining in. I will now start to prepare everything. We are in this session once again. It's a special session this week. We are comparing three strategies. How we'll do? We'll start with the least profitable first. Then we'll jump over to the one that have made us the second best, and in the end we're going to use the strategy that I actually used all last year that I give the most profit. So we'll use 20 minutes each strategy. Okay, next week I will move on with this. I will keep the best one, and probably I will find something else to compare to it, because my plan this year is to try out every single strategy there are, and then basically compare them and figure out which one is the best. And the best way to compare these type of strategies is basically by running them together, right? And test them properly live. Now, when that's said, I will now set up so I can see the chat and everything, so I can see who is here and all this good stuff. Lately we have not had so much people live, but that is completely fine. Because basically YouTube did remove my moderation after that. For some reason I'm not getting suggested that much, but that is okay. Now just bear with me while I set up everything so we can follow this. So if there are anyone, at least I can see you. Just wait a little. Setting up there now. Okay, at least there are 3 people live I can see. Present yourself, by the way, if you want to. That would be nice. I know who is here. Also, let me. I'm going to go live in Discord. We are also live in Academy, so that's the reason for we are live at all. Because if not, we do not have enough people in YouTube to be just live there. Now let's see. Trading binary options live. So today we will start with the strategy that have made us the least, like I said. That will be the moving average 7 with following trend. We will trade that one for about 20 minutes or so. Welcome, Radical. Nice to see you. Now let's see, I'll just get my spreadsheet up so I can follow the numbers. Of course, you need to reopen on here. Okay. We are almost starting, just bear with me. My voice is still a little bad today, but I think we'll manage quite good. Let's see. Cool. So yes, let me set now up the login first, maybe. There. Let's just log in and we can get started. There. Cool. You'll now also choose the pairs that pay us the most. Let's see. Do we have that one? No, let's have it. No, today is the correct starting time. I did today make sure we start at the correct. So this is the time we're going to be trading this year. It's 1 hour later than we had the last year. So yes, today we are live at exactly the correct time. Now let me see. And just so we have a few, this one we have, this one. More we have up, more opportunities for trades we can get. Do we have that one? No, let's add it. And here's the card. I think then we have enough. And we have more than enough. Okay, then we are starting, like I said, with moving average 7. We just write MA. This one have not made us any money. We just go in 0. So if you don't want to copy, you don't need to. This one have not done so well, but as I said in the start, we're going to test 3 strategies for basically for see, 14 days. So that's why we do it. Now this strategy works like this. When a line comes down to the red, we go in. Okay, so let's do that. The least strategy will always get a little less time, so already 6 minutes is surpassed for this strategy, because that's about the time I've been live. So let's see here now. So you're going to trade this strategy, more 14. Then the next strategy will be Bolshoi Band with stochastic. And then the last 20 minutes will be our main strategy that have made us money all year long last year. That is Bolshoi Band, no, support resistance with my yeah, where I check the trends and all this good stuff. Now we are in the first trade with this strategy. Let's hope we can get a winner, would be nice. As always, when I take a trade, I'll move on to see if I find something else, because I can't be waiting for each trade. But we'll do like this, so you can follow the trade. So if you want to trade the same like me, set up pairs in the same order like I have here, and I'll go by one by one by one. Okay, so looks like we are winning the first trade, by the way. Like I said, don't worry too much about copying me right now, because we are now running the least profitable strategy. Just think about maybe on the last 20 minutes today, and that's the one that is making us money basically. But who knows, maybe we'll do good with this one also today, but I'm not going to hold my breath too much, because we have not done too well with moving average 7. Basically, over the time we just gone more or less in 0. So now let's see. But by the way, I'm to make things correct, I'm trading it. We are in here now. Let's see. So this basically, if it's trendy market, this strategy should be doing very good. But like I said, we have not done so good with it. So here, I can consider this a downward trend, short term at least. Let's see. If you come up, I'll take a trade. We are keeping only to non-OTC pairs, because you know OTC is little dominated by the broker, and they will make the money, not us. Now let's see. 3, 2, 1, and talking about that, we lost in the last second. That is super annoying, but nothing we can do with. Let's remove 1000. So then this strategy is currently $41 in minus. That's why I'm telling you, do not copy me now. This strategy is a little shit. But keeping true to my word, I will be trading it give it the same chance like the other strategies. Central numbers, I don't like it. Let's see. Okay, we will take one here now. If you come down, let's see. Think maybe I need to get myself a little water later, but for now I'll manage. Also, we collect some cashback up here. I will collect each and every cashback for each pair. So that means when we are done with this strategy, I will collect the cashback this strategy made, and so on. Now let's see. But like I said, the last 20 minutes we're going to trade the best strategy. So if you are here to be copying, that should be the one to copy. Also, if you are just following for now, make sure you sign up with a demo account using my link. You find it in the chat. It's much more fun to follow when you have the same broker like me. Let's see. We are waiting here now. Yes, I think that's the best call, Radical. That will be the last 20 minutes we will be using that strategy. Let's see here now. That strategy since Monday last week have made us $879. That is by trading 20 minutes each day. So I would say that is quite decent. We are in here now. Let's see. It would be nice to get a winner. Here also, if you come down to the red line, we will take a trade. Let's see. How are we in time? We're going to trade this more 8 minutes. Now we are ready. If you can just get down there, will be nice. Looks like we get a winner here, by the way. Yeah, no, every time when you come to a new broker, it takes a little time to get used to. That is completely normal. Let's see. Okay. We are ready to go in now. If you can just get down to this red line. We have 6 minutes-ish left. Then we'll jump over to Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is one strategy that gives us a lot of trades. It's one that either can lose us a lot of money one day or make us a lot of money. Overall, if you trade over a year of time, you will make money with it, but little scary. But by the way, we had much fun with it yesterday. We made a killing with Bollinger Band yesterday. We did go from minus 450 to plus $100. So Bollinger Band did quite decent yesterday. By the way, we have a possible trade here. If you can come down to this red line there, that would be nice. And do you know what? We are making money with the moving average 7 today also. So we made another $88. Sweet, plus 88. That makes me happy. Let's see here now. If we can just get down there again, that is. How are we in time? We have 5 minutes left, so probably we can get in 1 or 2 more trades with this strategy before we move over to bullish band and stochastic. Let's see, almost. I need to cross the lines. I don't see the red line more. That's my entry with this strategy. Like it looks like I had the entry, but we did not, because every time this one, also the line move a little down, so we did not cross it yet. Let's see. I need to see a definitely cross of the line for me to push up. Yeah, there. Perfect. Did not get the best entry, but we got a decent entry. So, and when this happens, I just move on. I don't even try to reload. Okay. I will not say this is a starter trend yet, so we move on. Let's go only for the definitely trend. Here, this is a definitely trend. Let's wait and see. If we win here now, we start to do quite decent. Then that's make me happy. So I don't like to lose either, so it would be quite nice. Let me see the time first. Yeah, we have 3.5 minutes left, so we can still get in a trade here, maybe. And there we won. Perfect. Let's put that into the information. Now this strategy is 203. Did take the second position place. I hope this is what to come today, that we will have a good here now, and bullish band will keep on going, and we make a final push with the support resistance and just have winners like we did yesterday here. That would be quite nice. Let's hope we keep it this way. So now let's see. By the way, if you're jumping in, make sure you sign up with the broker that I'm using. Make sure you use my link, because you also have a promo code Alpha1 that give you 200% on your first deposit. That's by using my link, that is. Also, you support the channel by using my link. I do get a small kick every time you trade if you use my link. That is, of course, if you decide to go in with the real money. You should, of course, just start with demo account first, get used to it, see if you manage to follow, and so forth. Now let's see. Let's wait one more bar. If you can get below this red bar, on the next bar, okay, this is the last bar we do. If you don't get a trade with this bar, we move on to bullish band. That's it. So this is the last bar for moving average 7. That's it. Okay, looks like we are done. I think now we can start to set up bullish band. Let's remove this. We then go in this that is right for the ask button here. Just write BB. Just add bullish band. Go one more time and just write stock. Any of this is no different, just but I take the first one. So here, this strategy is a little crazy, but made us good money yesterday. Here it's completely the opposite in some way from moving average 7. Here we need the bar to shoot out of the top bullish band, for example up here. Stochastic need to be about 80, then we push down. It's that simple. So let's see if we can find some trading opportunities here. here we might get one. Stochastic is ready. If this one can go out of the Bollinger Band, and we contact us out. First trade in, we move on. I'm going to move here. Correct. Follow the lines. So first trade in. I did not get the best entry, but we got a decent entry. Here, the stochastic is in the middle, so you just move on. Here we might get a trade. Stochastic is ready, so if this one will be low, Bollinger Band in the bottom, we will go in. And once again, not the best entry, but let's see. A little my fault, I did not push fast enough. But let's see how this goes now. It would be nice if you get a winner here now, because you are most of the time in the money. We lost it, little sad. That might be my fault, but it's okay. Let's put in minus 100 in the numbers. So this strategy is currently now in 0. I forgot to collect this one. It's $10 for moving average and 2 for this new one. So let's put that in also. So things are correct. Plus 10 and Bollinger Band get $2 till now. Just 2. Okay, let's follow here now. One more loser. I still will say it's a little my fault, but let's see. This strategy gets so many trades, so not to worry. I think we will get what we deserve, by the way, in the end. Nothing here. Here we have a trade. We are in there. Sweet. That was a good entry. Nothing to say about this one. We were far out of the Bollinger Band. We had the stochastic in order. Sweet trade. Here we might get one. And let's see if we can complete. Now we still don't have it. We need to cross the line for me to take it. Very close. Very close. I need to admit, we are very close, but close is not good enough. We need to cross so you don't see the blue line in the top. For me to take a trade. That's the only way we take a trade. Let's see. There, you're in. Beautiful entry. Beautiful entry. I like when I get then lose or win, I'm happy. And sweet, we got a win there. Let's put that into the information. We are now just $20 minus with this strategy. This one was a good entry, so win or lose, I'm happy. When I get that entries I like, then we can't complain. Now, and you will not see me go and take more trades here. I just move on, because sometimes it can be trendy so much that if you stay on this one, you'll get loser after loser after loser, and it's better to move on, I figure out. So currently we are down for the day for Bollinger Band, but like I said, I'm not too worried yet. And last 20 minutes we will trade our main strategy that have been printing money every single day. I'm not going to tell you that we're going to be winning today, but at least average it, and we've done quite good on that one. Now let's see, we are ready to go in here in the bottom, if we can cross the line, that is. By the way, I don't know how long time we've been doing this now, but I think we're talking like 1 year, 11 months I've been live now, every single day. So start to be quite a long time I've been doing this. So quite nice. I see we are 5 people live now. That is nice. Sadly I don't get too many my live sessions after YouTube demonetize my channel, because YouTube do not like this type of content for some reason. Of course I understand that it's banned in a few countries to trade the binary option. And this broker, by the way, accepts everyone. Will give you warnings, of course, but if you are from US settings, but you can still open, and you will have no problem using them. Now let's see. We just need him to cross the line bottom. How much time we left, by the way? We're going to trade this strategy more 15-ish minutes, so we have a lot of time. Let's see. By the way, I'm also thinking about making one more YouTube channel, one just for crypto in there. Beautiful entry. Make one, yeah, just for crypto. Maybe do some trading, just set up a robot or something on crypto, be trading there. Do some manual trading for crypto. Do some mining. Yeah, all this good stuff. Because as now looks like we are in a bull market, at least a start of a bull market. I think last time I checked, Bitcoin was at like 46,000. So that seems like a start of a bull market for me, but who knows? There, we got another loser. It did so good on Bullspan yesterday, and now we're going to lose it again. Little boring, but what can we do? Let's hope we do good with the last strategy today, so I don't end up losing money today. That would be a little boring. So, now let's see. Here we basically just him to cross the line top. If we can just get if we can just get up where he was before, up here, that would be good enough for me to take a trade. Let's see. But once again, if you want to copy me, at least wait till the last strategy. That one is the one we did trade live all day long last year. Little tired, I did not get enough coffee. I was empty for coffee now. So that's how it is. Now, if you can just get up here again, we'll take it. 12 more minutes and we jump over to the best strategy. I was hoping we could turn profit on Bullspan also, but for now that looks like it. If I don't get the trade soon now, I will just move on because this is too boring. Here we might get something. Let's see. I'm ready. Stochastic is at least okay. Oh. Here we might now. I'll remove a little faster here now. Don't worry if you don't manage to follow. You should not take these trades, by the way. Okay, here the move. See, it was a perfect trade here. Looks like we are 1 minute too late on most of them. Here also, it was a perfect trade. So we see most of the moves are done when they come to it. Or maybe they come right after we leave. Like now, for example, maybe we got a trade here. It's typically like that. Might get one here now. Let's see. Need a little more push than this. Come on now. I would love to end this one with profit. Let's see. There we are. Sweet. Good entry. Also, I'm satisfied with it. Like I said, win or lose when I get a good entry, then I'm happy. I hate when it take a trade and I get a bad entry and I lose. Even if I win, I don't feel comfortable about it. But when I get a good entry, then it's all good. Of course, I prefer to win. Misunderstand me correctly. Okay. We've been in and out of the money here now, so I don't feel too confident. Because typically when it's like this, I lose. And see now, no, we won. Sweet, I deserved that one. 88. Let's put that into the calculation. We need 2 more trades to turn some profit. We might get one here now. No, we don't want to go more down. Let's see. Okay, we might get one here. How are we in time? We have 8 minutes left, so we still have some good time to take. I think we should get in 2-3 trades on that time. Let's see. Just need to cross in the top. I take it. Come on now. Give me a trade. Half sleeping here also. Okay. I'll put up a vote in Discord Saturday. So you can vote if you want me to just trade the winning strategy or if you want me to test out more strategy next week. Let's see. Okay, we might get one here now. Now. You can just cross the blue line. Stochastic is not ready. Let's move on. Here, if you can get up there again, we will not take it, but looks like the move is done. Here we might get one, if you can cross in the bottom now. Come on now. Would be nice to get a trade here now. No. We are still 6 minutes left till we take support and resistance. Stochastic is not ready. Here, if you can come up there again, it's a maybe trade. Probably not, because it's not so high above it, and this line will also move a little up when this bar go up. Let's see. It's a little upward trend, so I think he will give us opportunity up there very soon. Wait, there we are. Cool. Then we can move on. Okay, we will not try this one more. Looks like he's lying a little here. He says 78%, but you see clearly that he get only 63. So we can't be trading 63. So we will remove that one after this trade is done. But we can take this $63 by the way. Let's see. We have 8 seconds left. Come on now. and we won that trade and we remove it there. So $63 plus 63. One more win, at least we are in zero with the Bolshoi Band. Two more and we are at the same level we started. We have just 5 minutes left, so if you're lucky we get 2 more trades. Let's see. There, you're in. Did not get the best entry. I don't like it when I don't get the best entry. We take one here also. There, we are now in with 2. If you win both these 2, then you're doing quite good actually. If you fill up this bar again, I'll take a trade down here also. Let's see. There, in there also. Hey, we're getting much action here now in there. Let's just wait for this and call that the end of Bolshoi Band for today. Will be, if you could win all these 3, that would be quite sweet, but don't looks like it. Really don't looks like it. But 2 wins also, I take it because that is profit. So now let's see, the first will close in 10 seconds. Come on now, keep in the money. Keep in the money. First in, now the second. In. Oh, get the last also now. Okay, we got 2 wins and 1 loser. I will put that into the calculation. Now let's see. Minus 100. How much was it? We got 78 and 88. 78 and 88. Okay. Let's see. Plus 88 plus 78. With some cashback. $18. Let's take that. At least we are in profit with Bolshoi Band. For the day we are lost, but okay. If you heard alarm now, that is just mining. Yes, I'm mining out the CryptoTab brochure also. Trying to get as much money you can everywhere. Let me see, the timer is time to do that also. Let me now just remove Bolshoi Band. We are now going to be trading support and resistance. So then we can go from the start. I do see an area up here that looks nice for me. Up there. If you can get up there again, I'll take a 1-minute trade. Let's see. If you get up there. Come on now. This strategy do not give us that many trades, by the way. So it's a more calm strategy, but it's easy to follow and have a very high win rate. We have a win rate for this. I've seen through last year around 7 to 8 wins for each 10 trade we have done with this one. Well, let's see, we are ready to go in the top, and the rule is following: if you should pass, if you should pass your line so fast that you don't manage to push the bottom, then don't go in. Then the line is broken and probably you'll get a loser if you win. Like what I did there now. Like I did there now. You should not take a trade there. Yes, the win rate is still high when you take it, but most of the time he continue upwards. So, and that's what's happened here now. So that was a small mistake from my side, but I guess I got too eager. So you see, I can do mistakes also. So let's see now. Down here looks nice. We are going to put a line there. You see here now, he broke straight through it, so we just move on. Move on. Let's see if we can find something nice. and we lost that one. Oh, okay. Let's put in -100 in the statistic. So now we are for support resistance are now $779 in profit here, and he should. That was a good example. When he should pass the line you have, don't go in. You did see what happened with the one over here. We might have something got on here. Let's see if I have time to mark it there. We'll take it if we go down to that line. There we are. Little bad entry. Let's see. I think my entry is around here, so I think it still will be okay. Says 0 here, but we are clearly in the money. Our entry is here. So this is a hiccup up here, I see. Let's see. We'll wait for this one. We don't need to be rushing too much. Let's see. We have 20 seconds left. It's as long as you don't want to go down and take a test down there again, you should be okay. Let's see. And that is a clear win for me. Everyone that take this trade, however bad entry you got, you won this trade. Sweet. Let's put in $78. Okay, let's move on. We will continue to take trades here, but it looks like the move is done. So let's continue. We got British pound against American. Let's zoom out a little. I do like the area down here. Let's see. Around here. Let me see how that will look like. Yeah. I think I want one more test before I can confirm that this is an area. Let's see. I'll not wait too long. If we start to go too much up here with green, we continue. That's it. Okay, let's get the tester now. Now let's move on. We have a nice area down here, but it looks like we are not going to get down here because you also see we have a small trend upwards. Up in this area. Looks decent. Let's see. I'll take a trade there. Not this one. We do. Wait a little. I need to mark something first. We do see that you have a trend going upwards. I think you can take one trade, but then we need to stop because we're getting a squeeze here. Let's see, I'm not in yet. I'm in there. Got a decent entry in the top. Let's hope that will be good enough. We see the squeeze, but I don't think we'll come on this bar. Let's see. But yeah, we are not going to trade more here because as of this squeeze here, currently we are deep in the money, so it looks beautiful for now. Looks like he broke our trend line, so you can remove it. And if you do take a trade there, we are deep in the money. 10 seconds left. Okay, I will not say it more. If you should up now, I'll be very annoyed. 4, 3, 2, 1, and everyone won that trade. $88 more. Sweet. We'll take that. We are profit for the day. We have just one loser 100, but now we are $945 profit all over. I will take more trades up there. Let's see. Not good enough for me. We need to go a little more up. There, that's a good example when you're not going to take a trade. You see he should pass so fast, don't manage to take a trade, don't take a trade also. That's the only time you do not take a trade on support and resistance, when that happens. You can understand it's a little difficult. You did even see me do this mistake. That's why we lost one trade. Was basically off a mistake. So the strategy, if you follow it 100%, you have 0 losses till now. But it's just human to do mistake. So by the way, I will take a trade down here. I do like this area. We see most of the time when they come there, we get a refusement. So if you can come down there again, I will take it. Then you are lucky. But do you understand? I guess you understand why you are not supposed to take the trade. So be very careful if you see him should pass your line. I know we are sitting waiting to push the button. I understand it's difficult not to take a trade, but if you just manage to not take a trade, then you follow correctly. I think all over, I did check last year. When we take a trade, by the way, we most of the time I think we had like 6 out of 10. But as we do not make 100% on the trades, I will say we go more or less in 0 with money. So it's not worth it. That's why we don't take a trade when we pass the line. So now let's see. I will not wait too long here now. That's it. Okay. If we can just get down to our blue line there, that would be nice. No, come on now. I will not wait much more if you don't get the trade soon. Starting to be bored here now already. Looks like you want to go up. Let's continue. Okay, some Swedish crowns. I can't say I've zoom out so I can see some more information here. It's not definitely a good support line, so I think let's keep it. Here, let's see, we don't have anything here either. This area, in another hand, is nice. So let's mark it. If we can get an entry around this blue line there, I'll take it. Here you see we can pass it a little, you see. So as long as we don't shoot past this line, let's take 2 lines here now, don't misunderstand it, it's just for us to make it clear. As long as if the bar shoot down, let's shoot down only to the second line, it's okay. But if you pass this line, let's make it another color, let's make it green. If we should pass the green line, we don't go in. So our entry should be in between the 2 lines, I will say. So you try to get the entry in between, let's do that. Let's see. If you get an entry in between the 2 lines, then that will be a good entry. I'm not understanding your question there. LC. We are not trading OTC. It's to as I trade with bigger amount, I will lose most of the time on OTC because the broker always win. If you trade with smaller amount, you can do quite good on OTC, but as long as you trade with bigger amount, most of the time you will lose the trade. So we are not trading OTC. There, yeah, and we got a good entry, I think. Let's see here now. Or maybe I did not get a good entry. I thought I got it in between, but we're out of the money here. Huh. Okay. Okay. If I just got the entry I had, well, at least we have a fighting chance, but let's see. Okay, okay. Maybe I'm winning this trade also. Now wait, more 10 seconds. Come on now. If I win, I think most people are winning that trade also, because my entry was not so good. Yes, I won it. Just barely. But I take it. $78. So plus 78. We are now $1,023 in profit with this strategy. Just trading 20 minutes a day. That is very decent. So today you can see the win rate I'm saying is quite correct. We have one loser and 3 winners. This trade I should not even have taken, so considering that, we have done quite good. Yes, and that's the one that is leading also. Just an update about how we are done. Boltzmann since Monday last week is $15 profit. Moving average 7, that is now number 2, is $213 in profit. And support resistance is 1023. So we don't get so many trades with this one, but it's constant. It's constant. Now let's see if we can find something more. We might have a resistance up here. Let's see. I'll mark it at least. Let's see if it holds. I'll take it like this. Let's see. Depending. He did should pass it, so no, does not matter more. I was going to, depending where he was going to close the bar, I was going to say. But now he just should pass it. But you know what? We might have one up here. So if this one can close down around here, we activate the one up here. Yes, I don't have fixed it, okay? So what happens, see here now, I can explain this for you. This can be a little different. You see, you have a timer go here, right? So you turn fix it, and here, you start with one again. Turn here, fix it, and go here again. So this will be a little different every time for everyone, okay? So I have not bothered to do this because when I change in between each pair, I need to turn it on every single time. So I just leave it like this. For me, I have done quite good just by having it the way it is. So the minimum trade you get is 30 seconds and the maximum trade is 1 minute. Okay, so I hope that clears it up for you. I will not trade this one now, just because of this bar here. I think if you take the trade here, you will do quite good. But as I started to explain too much here now, I lost this opportunity. So I'm not sure if I will take it. If I don't know if he did shoot past the line or what he did. But let's just move on. I will not trade more on this one. Let's see here. We might have something in the bottom here. Or we are not on that. Let's move on. Nothing here. How are we in time, by the way? We are going to be trading more 4 or 5 minutes. Let's see. See if we can find something nice. I look for the specific setups. Like here, for example, I don't like because we can see we have a trend going upwards. Does not help that we have a near area here because we're going to squeeze here now. And if we know squeeze, he either will break up or he will break down. I will started actually with $100 myself, but this is not one of the stories with the YouTubers that did build a $5 account to $10,000 in a few hours or a few minutes or whatever they do. This is done basically over 2 years. So content and all is traded live on, so everyone could follow. So I started with $100, and my plan is to take it to 100, and then I will do a big withdraw. That is my plan. I do have a second account also where I withdraw every single Sunday. But for this one I have only traded live, so yeah, it's nice to see it's growing, but it's going slowly. This is something that takes time. I trade 1 hour every single day, just so you're aware of that. So takes time, but you can manage. But yeah, I'm not one of these persons that will give you 100% win rate and these crazy things. But if you stay constant, yes, I had 2 losing days in a row. That can happen. But if you just stay constant, you'll do good. But don't think that you will explode your account. No, I will say that part. You see, I'm trading with just $100 on a bigger account. It's because if I could have traded with like $1,000 to $2,000, right? But I know myself. If I get 2 losers in a row and I'm like $2,000 to $4,000 in minus, my emotions will take over, and I will start with marketing and these crazy things. So I know myself. I can trade with $100, $200, no problem, no emotions. But if I start to trade with more, I lose everything. I don't have control. So I know myself, that's my limit. I don't manage more. And I'm happy with what I'm making. So yeah, I would say so. Of course, it go faster in the start because I traded with more based on my current balance. But now it's not growing so fast. You can just rewind my videos like 2 months back. I think we were around 70,000. So in 2 months I made just 6,000. So it's not growing so fast anymore. And last month, basically, I've been fighting a little at 75,000 to 76,000 because in the Christmas time we did not do so well. We had many losing days. So, but it's the highest amount I've seen on the account right now. So at least we are growing again now. But yeah, Christmas time was terrible. It's not a good idea to trade in Christmas. I told that for everyone that was live together with me then. It's not a good time because market in Christmas are crazy. So yeah, so that's that story. By the way, we are done for today. I hope you did enjoy. I will be back again tomorrow, same time. This is the new time we're going to be trading this year. So tomorrow also we will be trading 3 strategies. Make sure you sign up with the broker I'm using. You find the link in the chat. Should be in the top somewhere. We don't have any pinned things more in YouTube. I don't know why, but they have removed this. So it's the link you find in top. Also, you find a link to Discord. So there you can enjoy zero lag. So make sure you sign up there also. And if you decide to go in real money, you should not do it by the way right away. See if you can follow first. But if you decide, make sure you use the promo code. Because when you use my link, you have a promo code Alpha1 that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So then, thank you so much to keep me company.